Indeed there, Josh. Thanks very much. We got an update as well to a case we've been following in Tampa. 4 years after a mother carried her young daughter into the Hillsborough River and let her slip down into the water and drown. Shakayla Denson today told a judge that she is, in fact, guilty. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez joins us now live in downtown Tampa. Hi there, Gloria. I know there's a difficult case from day one here, but a bit of a surprise today in the courtroom. Tell us more.
Mark, you're right. There was no expectation of a plea deal today, but that's exactly what happened. She was supposed to go to trial next week, but suddenly she pled guilty and is now headed to prison.
Shakayla Denson walked into a Tampa courtroom ready to cut a deal with prosecutors.
Can you please state your name for the record? Shakayla Denson.
Denson was planning to go with the insanity defense during her trial next week, but changed her mind.
To each of the 3 charges in your case, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Denson pled guilty to a reduced charge of second-degree murder, aggravated child abuse, and grand theft in exchange for 20 years in prison. In August of 2018, the Tampa mother's accused of intentionally drowning her 4-year-old autistic daughter in the Hillsborough River. This surveillance video from a used car lot shows Denson walking with her daughter just moments before. They say she stole a car and drove to the river. In court, the prosecutor described the horror that happened next.
These witnesses observed the defendant remove the child, 4-year-old victim, from the vehicle and take her into the Hillsborough River, where she proceeded out a ways and then released her daughter into the river and walked away. The witnesses observed the child bob up and down and then go under the water and not rise again. The defendant exited the water, proceeded to scream, and then walked on.
Tampa police recovered the child's lifeless body from the water. Now, nearly 4 years later, prosecutors say Denson will spend 2 decades locked up for a mother's ultimate betrayal.
And Mark, as part of her plea deal, she will also serve 10 years probation once she gets out of prison. Just a tragic story all the way around. Back to you.
It is indeed. Finally, it's over. Gloria, thanks.